Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my Empties bin. I do these like every other month, I think is when I do it. So this bin consists of December and January. So that's what I've used up those 2 months. Also, if you are interested in what I'm wearing on my face, you can always check out the description box. I list all of my makeup details below, and I will link this shirt too. I got it off of Amazon. It's this easy tiger shirt, super cute. But yeah, if you're interested in seeing what I used up in this bin, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so here is my bin. I do have a good mix of skincare and makeup, so let's just go ahead and jump into the skincare. I have 2 moisturizers that I used up. I used up this Clinique one. It's a Redness Solution Daily Relief Cream. And then I also used up from First Aid Beauty the Coconut Water Cream. I definitely prefer this over. This is a lot more thick, like a thick moisturizer, and this is like a water cream, so it's a lot more lightweight, which is what I prefer. This did not help with my redness whatsoever. They're both a little pricey, but again, I would prefer this one. I haven't repurchased it though. I'm currently using up another moisturizer, but I would repurchase this one. Next, I have a face wash, and this is from CeraVe. It's their Acne Foaming Cream Cleanser. I did really like this. I've been dealing with some breakouts along my chin area the past couple months. I don't really think this helped at all. Like, I still have my breakout, so obviously this didn't get rid of it. But I only use this for about a month, so I think you have to use it longer. But it is very inexpensive, so it would be something I would be okay with purchasing and trying again. However, I do have another cleanser that I'm working through, so this is a possible repurchase. Next, I have 2 serums. So from The Ordinary, I have this Retinol, it's 0.5% in Squalane, and then I have this from, I don't know what it's called, like BYRO, New York or something, and it's a tomato serum. This is like $100 or more. I can't remember. It was a BoxyCharm thing, so I would not at all go out and purchase this. Also, like, the pump on this thing was so annoying, how to like get the product out. It was a pain in the butt. This was nice. However, I'm using another retinol that I got off of Amazon. That's more of, it's like a cream, because this just feels kind of greasy, so I don't really like that on me, just because I have more oily skin. So I definitely don't think I would repurchase this. But if you have drier skin, I think you would really like this, especially because it is super inexpensive. The last skincare product I have is from Paula's Choice. This has been mentioned on my channel several times. I absolutely love this toner. I've gone through several of them. I already have one that I'm working on in my bathroom right now. That just goes to show how much I love this. Definitely recommend. Next, I have 3 mascaras right here. I have 2 from CoverGirl. I have the CoverGirl Exhibitionist and the CoverGirl Exhibitionist Uncensored. I really like both of these. I prefer the Uncensored more. They're both a great mascara. You can't go wrong with either. Definitely recommend them. However, I have several mascaras that I'm trying to work through, so I will not be repurchasing any mascara at the moment. The other mascara is from GrandeDRAMA. It's an intense thickening mascara with castor oil. Again, won't be repurchasing any mascara for a while. Even if I needed mascara, I would not purchase this, just because it wasn't really that great in my opinion, so nothing really to write home about, so pass on that one. Next, I have this eyeliner from Hank & Henry. I don't know if I used this up or if it was just... Okay, I know. This is just really watery. Let me see if I can get a swatch and show you. It breaks up on the skin, and it's really watery, and and it smudges and everything, and I have so many liners, so I'm actually not going to trash this. I'll just give it to a friend if they want it. Maybe they'll like it. I, however, did not like it, so I got rid of it. I have this NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop concealer, all gone. I really like this. However, I am working through concealers right now, so I don't need another one to add, because I'm trying not to buy things in bulk when I already have products, so I don't need one, so I'm getting rid of that. Another random thing I'm getting rid of, I never used, it was like a sample thing. It's like this concealer, but That's not my shade, and I wouldn't even use that as a contour shade, so I'm going to get rid of that too. Another thing I'm getting rid of is from Cover FX. It's this little highlighter thing, but you can just look how crusty that is. I have had this for a while. Like, it is old and crusty, so I need to trash it. It is really pretty though. I would love to get another like full size, even a lighter shade. So pretty. The last makeup thing I have is from Soap and Glory. It's this one heck of a blot primer. This is a really nice pore filling primer. Again, I'm gonna just keep saying this. I'm really trying to focus on using up products without going out and repurchasing them. I have several primers right now to be working through, so I definitely do not need to be going out and buying one. However, if you want a pore filling primer, this is a nice one, but I would recommend the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer over this. So the last three things are more like lifestyle type of things. I have a perfume that I used up. It's this Juicy Couture Viva La Juicy Gold Couture. I really like this. I got this at Marshall's. It smells really good. I would get another one if I saw one on sale. It smells great. Another thing I have is from this brand. I think it's called Bast or Based. I'm not 100% sure. It's this Seductive body wash, and I use this bad boy up. It smells so incredibly good. This could go, like my husband could use this, or I could use this. It kind of has like a musky smell to it, so it would be good for either or. It smells amazing. But I am currently using up a body wash from, oh, what is it, Kapari, I think, and I really love that one. But this is a really good one if you like that kind of like musky smell. And then the last thing in here is this powder, collagen peptides. This I put in my coffee every single morning. You cannot taste it. I've gone through, this is my third one. I've already ordered a fourth one because I go through one like every month to month and a half. And this has really helped with my postpartum hair loss. It's helped my baby hairs grow back. I still have some sparseness, but this has really played a big role on helping my hair grow. And I 10 out of 10 recommend this one. It has great reviews. Absolutely love it. Alright guys, that is everything I have in today's video. Let me know if you guys like any of these products that I used up, and if you do, if you would repurchase them or not. Thank you guys again so much for watching. If you're not already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and be on the lookout for my February giveaway. I will be having it soon. So in order to be entered in that, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.